Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem involving SHA-256 implementation in Go. The problem at hand is the decision to reduce the number of prime numbers used in the algorithm from the standard 64 to just 24. This raises the question of how this reduction could impact the security and effectiveness of the algorithm. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. By reducing the number of prime numbers, several drawbacks can arise. Firstly, it leads to a loss in complexity, making the algorithm more predictable. Additionally, there's a higher chance of collision and loss determinism, increasing the vulnerability to pre-image attacks. Moreover, deviating from the standard can introduce compatibility issues with regular SHA-256 implementations. In summary, when tackling the problem of reducing the number of prime numbers in the SHA-256 implementation, it's crucial to consider the potential risks involved. To mitigate these risks, the solution lies in increasing the number of routes used or iterating over the initial steps more extensively to maintain the required level of complexity and security. It's all about finding the right balance between efficiency and protection. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts.